What's up, online shoppers? I want to tell you all about this really awesome 4-in-1 makeup brush that I bought from ALLEYOOP. Now, when you think about a product that makes your life easier, genuinely simplifies things, and you can't stop talking about it to your friends, that's me with this ALLEYOOP Overachiever 4-in-1 makeup brush. It's one of those things that I didn't know I needed until I had it, and now I'm sharing it with other people. Let me start with this. It's actually award-winning. It has a combination of powder brush, a blending brush, precision brush, and a complexion brush all into one sleek little tool. And I know it sounds kind of gimmicky, but it's not, and it works really well. So here it is in the package, really cute for gifting, which I think is awesome. Open this up and there are your tools. Now, even though this comes displayed like this is actually an all-in-one brush because all of these pieces fit together into one single brush. I'll show you how they assemble. You've got your powdery brush. This goes into here like that. This goes into here like that, and voila. They call it the Ready in 5, which is kind of cute. So this little brush is super intuitive. At one end, you've got a fluffy powder brush that I use for setting makeup, dusting on bronzer, and then you twist open the middle to reveal 2 more brushes like we saw in the assembly, right? Like that. Awesome. You've got one brush that's perfect for eyeshadow and another one that's great for contouring tiny little areas like the tip of your nose. This is like the Russian nesting doll of face tools, and I am here for it. And the best part is that it's vegan, it's cruelty-free, and has a net zero plastic footprint. I think you can just see from me tapping the brush how absolutely soft and beautiful these brushes are. It definitely feels like a bunny tail touching my skin. Soft, buttery. Oh my gosh, I can't even explain to you how lovely the brushes are. Nothing harsh, nothing scratchy. These are just really nice, high quality makeup brushes. These bristles are insanely soft and they don't feel scratchy or stiff like those synthetic brushes that I've used. They still have enough structure to do the job, to buff, to blend, to contour, you name it. No streaks, no weird patchiness, just smooth, even application. Whether I'm using a cream blush, a powder foundation, a liquid concealer, this is going to handle everything. Now, as somebody who travels a lot or who likes to touch up during the daytime, I seriously appreciate how compact this is. And the other thing is, I don't tend to have a lot of products, so my makeup bag is pretty small. So if I can get an all-in-one like this awesome little brush here, 100% here for it. If you're a makeup lover who loves simplicity, or even just someone who's trying to streamline your routine or your bag for travel or for gym, this Overachiever brush is really one that lives up to the hype. It's a total game changer for anyone who wants fewer tools, more space, and zero compromise on quality. Like, look at this, I told you, soft, buttery, and competent. Like I said, these I've started giving as gifts because I just can't believe how awesome they are all in one package. It's hard to go back to digging through my bag for whatever particular brush I have when all I have to do is reach in and either use what I have or unscrew the handle to access all the other brushes that I might need. ALLEYOOP Overachiever is definitely one of those rare, why doesn't everybody already have this kind of tools, which is why I keep gifting it and why it's a family favorite at my house.